Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be going I'm going kayaking for the first time. I'm going with people who have been kayaking, but I personally haven't been kayaking. I've put a kayak in our pool and paddled, but that's the most of it. And I am a little nervous to go kayaking just from some of the stuff I've heard, but I am excited, so let's go. All right, we are all loaded up with the kayaks, and we have I think it's like a 30-minute drive. Pretty close, actually. But we are about to head out. We're taking 2 cars, of course. And yeah, let's go. Is everyone ready to go kayaking? Woo!
Yeah, do this.
Joe looks like a bobber.
You know what?
Joe is a bobber.
I just want to make sure everybody can see my awesomeness.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. And it's blinding.
Turn that around.
And it's blinding.
This is my first time. I'm excited, but I'm also a little nervous. Heard some crazy stories, and I watched the footage from last time, so
We missed
hopefully this time will be better.
We missed the good footage last time. We lost that.
Oh yeah, we lost the GoPro. We are not losing any GoPros this time.
Is that a floatable
This
handle?
is a floatable handle.
Max,
And I would get lost before this GoPro gets lost.
Not to make you nervous, Max, but I quite legitimately have had to save 2 people from drowning going down the river.
No. All right.
Neither of them had life vests, and both of them were inebriated.
Well, we all have life vests.
And
none of us are
be safe out there.
None of us are gonna be inebriated, so honestly,
Not yet. Okay, we literally just got in the water right there. I'm in. Oh, I need to not run into some rocks.
We're gonna go over some safety basics with Max. We're gonna get underway.
Let's do it. You guys get a feet shot for free. Okay, this leg shot isn't very good. Also, it is absolutely beautiful. I should probably put some more sunscreen on soon, or I'm gonna come out of here looking like a lobster. Whoa, that's a rock. I'm gonna be like my mom and record instead of paddle. Also, sunscreen, Gatorade, water, more sunscreen, and a river. Let's go. So far it's going good. Pretty wavy, but so far it's good. I should probably apply some more sunscreen. And also, look at this paddle I found. It's like a samurai sword. Also, I'm going sideways now.
The moment you stop paddling, you end up going sideways.
All right, and it's got cool design. We're about to go down that thing. I think I'm ready. I think I'm ready. Oh gosh. Luke, look, I'm gonna crash. Luke. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh no. It's very fun so far. We're just hanging out, not crashing into trees because I'm holding a camera. I'm gonna title this video 4 hooligans on the river. 4 hooligans on the river. What?
I said, am I number 1 hooligan or number 4?
I don't know. You said you want to be in the back, so maybe you're number 4. I think me and Luke are number 1 and 2. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I do have a dragonfly right there. And I had a fly here a minute ago. So they're just kind of hanging out with me. Look at them. So cute. Anyways, was that pinball? No. No? No? Too easy? Okay. I was gonna say, I hope pinball's more of a challenge than that. I hear rapids around this corner. I'm definitely going backwards right now. Oh frick. Pinball. Whoa! Yo, what is this? I would just like to say my final goodbyes. This is this looks kind of crazy. So this is called pinball. That's its code name. It's because there's a right and a left, and we're gonna hit some trees. There's a right and a left. The left is worse. All right, we're going left.
All right, here we are at pinball. I do not know the difference between left or right, so we're just gonna figure it out.
That was fun. Oh, okay. We're okay. Whoa. Alright. Pinball wasn't too bad, actually. Still kind of wavy here, but that wasn't bad. That was actually fun. First time kayaking is not too bad. That sun is crazy. No one fell. But I also got a lot of water in my kayak. Woo! That was fun.
My butt's a little wet.
My butt is very wet. All right, we made it to shore.
Yeah.
Summer.
The bridge. I was right there in my motorcycle video. That's where we fell over. All right, we just got home. That was so much fun, and I do want to go again, and I want to bring Maddie. So I didn't bring Maddie this time just because I didn't know how I would like do or any of that. So I'm very excited. I want to teach her to ride on a kayak. I want to teach her to do all that. She would absolutely love it. But that is going to be it for my video today, and I will catch everyone next time. Bye.